Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change this black and white photo of a beautiful woman to become this cheerful cartoon portrait. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Google AI Studio, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And if you would like to try it, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can click this Try Gemini 3, and you can go to this image category and click this Nano Banana to help you to do the photo editing or generate the image. And after that, I will start to upload the image from my gallery here. And for example, I will select this picture and click open. And after that, in this section, I will start to put the prompt into this section and click. You can give the combination of control and enter, or you can also simply click the enter over here, and it will direct you to this section to do the generation process. Basically, the prompt gonna be like this: transform this image into the vibrant, cheerful, cartoon style illustration framed in the white picture frame, and also with the light matting, and also illustration depicts person in the attached photo looking directly at the viewer. And also the art should feature the crisp outline and also bright pleasing color and also friendly vibe. And you can also add the detail like the engaging demeanor of a person. And also a small color reference image of an original photo is placed in the bottom left corner of the frame. So this will be the previous picture or the reference picture, and after using this prompt, so this will be the result, guys. Keep maintaining the beautiful face of a beautiful woman. So if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this prompt, and you can also let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.